Hello friend, welcome to this video. In this video, I will teach you how to solve these kind of functions, how to take antiderivative of these functions, integration sign into x root plus 1 over x root into dx where x is greater than 0. How to solve this question? Let's look at the video. So first of all, in this video, we will use this formula. If x raised power n dx, it will be x raised power n plus 1 power plus 1 over n plus 1. This is the formula plus c. You can see. This is the formula we will use in this video. First of all, separate them x root plus 1 over x. This is dx. Clear? Now, we know that this is equal to x raised 1 over 2. Clear? Now this is x raised 1 over 2 dx plus 1 over x raised 1 over 2 dx. Now again I am going to write it x raised 1 over 2 dx plus x raised minus 1 over 2 dx. This is the 1 over 2 at denominator. When we write as a numerator, it will be minus 1 over 2. It's probably minus 1 over 2. So now it's simple to integrate it. Here, look at this formula. X raised 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 1. The same part will be over here plus x raised minus 1 over 2 plus 1, and the same value will be over here plus c. When you perform the integration, then at the end you put c, and 1 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. Clear? 3 by 2, and this is x raised 3 by 2 plus minus 1 over 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 2, and here 1 over 2 and x raised power 1 over 2 plus c. Now further, this is denominator. When we reverse it, it will be 2 over 3 and x raised power 3 by 2 plus at the same 2 x raised 1 over 2 plus c. This is denominator. When we reverse it, it will be 2 over 1, and you know that 2 over 1, there is no need of writing 1 over here. X raised 1 over 2 plus c. So this is the answer of this question. How it, you look at how much this is simple. Just you have to know the solution, how to solve these kind of questions. Very simple. And the basic thing is you have to memorize, keep in mind the formula of these kind of questions.